Miniature lasers grown on silicon. Scientists have successfully fabricated miniaturized lasers directly on silicon wafers, a breakthrough reported in Nature. Significance. This is a major advancement in silicon photonics, as integrating light sources directly onto chips has been a long-standing challenge. Problem solved. The new research overcomes the difficulty of separately manufacturing and attaching lasers to chips, which results in slower operation, higher costs, and manufacturing mismatches. Scalable process. Lasers are grown directly on silicon using a scalable process compatible with standard CMOS technology. Silicon photonics. Modern advancements are replacing electrons with photons in chips, leading to silicon photonics. Photons offer faster data transfer, higher bandwidth, and lower energy loss. Components of photonic chip. Key components include a light source, laser, waveguides, modulators, and photodetectors. Laser function. Lasers operate on stimulated emission. Silicon's indirect band gap makes it inefficient for light emission, so materials like gallium arsenide, GaAs, are preferred. Defect management. Researchers use narrow, deep trenches filled with an insulating material to trap defects that arise from the crystal structure mismatch between gallium arsenide and silicon. Performance. The fabricated lasers on a 300 mm wafer operate at a wavelength suitable for short-range transmissions with a low threshold current and reasonable output. The laser operated continuously for 500 hours at room temperature. Benefits. Enables faster and more efficient optical communication on microchips, reducing power consumption and increasing speed in computing systems. It benefits telecommunications, high-performance computing, and AI.